Okay, today we'll be opening up this used Mahle oil filter, number OC323. And I got this used oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is Gary M. Frazier from South Carolina. Thanks, Gary. This filter was in service for 2 months, 2,793 miles, and came off of Gary's 2004 Jaguar. Yep, the one with the 4.2 liter 8-cylinder engine. He was using Castro GTX 10W30 oil along with 2 bottles of Auto RX. He was doing an engine cleaning, hence the reason for the Auto RX and the short oil change interval. Let's see what this oil filter caught after this cleaning. So let's get started. This is something where you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your angle here, filtration, here. Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. Made in Germany. We got a date code over here. You got to put a UV light to it though to see it. It's 11/08/22. So being made in Germany, I would say that's August 11th, 2022. And this filter has 8 inlet holes, metal core with holes, bypass valve down below, 3 grooves there for threads, and a nitro rubber gasket. It's pretty thick. Put that to the side. I'll put the measurement up a bit on the screen here, but put that to the side for now. And, let's open this filter up. Not much oil. Okay, looks like a silicone drain back valve. Looks nice. Looks like it cover up really nicely here. That covers up the holes nice. Looks fine. No slits, cuts. Yeah, looks good. Okay, let's see the filter element. Okay, male uncapsulated bypass valve right here. Metal crimp seam. Pleats look a little wavy, but not bad. They're nicely spaced. I don't see no tears or anything. I think that's just some white paint from the can. Also right there. Okay, I don't have no specs on this filter media. Deep pleats. And I'll put the number of pleats on the screen. Yeah, it all looks good. And it's got this stamped leaf spring, which still got a nice shape to it. That looks fine. And it looks clean in here. I don't see no, see a little overspray. But I don't see no sludging or anything, no carbon soot. Looks clean. Alright, well, let's get some measurements. In the can, 0.55. The filter element, okay, 3.64 inches wide minus 1/10 of an inch. Okay, now let me take this filter element, cut it open, and squeeze it out, and see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, and here's the filter all stretched out. It just barely goes over the edge of my table, and it's 81 3/4 inches long. Okay, and let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.70 millimeters thick. Okay, this is the filtering side. It's the back side. And looking under a microscope, you can see like a couple little dark spots, but not really that many. I mean, there's some light spots also on this filter. So it looks like, well, let's take a look at that picture. So looking at the picture, you can see that it's got some light spots and it really didn't catch much dirt. There wasn't much dirt in there. If there was any carbon or soot, sludge in Gary's engine, I think the Auto RX dissolved it. And it probably went out when he changed his engine oil. Because overall, this filter is very clean. And let's take a look at it up close. So there's really no carbon or soot. It's just dark. No sparklies either. I think there was one. Yeah, right there's one, I think. Yeah, one right there. For sparklies, but otherwise it's a very clean filter. I was expecting maybe some sludge or something, but nope. Thought the RX would loosen up some sludge, but maybe it just dissolved it and it went right out as oil. So let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So we got the gasket right here. Looks fine. You can see like a little bit of a rim here where it went against the block. Silicone drain back valve, that looks fine. It looks like it, and also the base plate looks nice. Got a lot of inlet holes. That covers up that really nice, the holes up, so that looks good. Get this stamp leaf spring. I don't really care for this design with the slit in it, but it looks like it held up fine. And bypass valve. Let's see, I'll push this and show you guys how that works. And get it to work. Is it stuck? No. There it goes. I just didn't have the pen in the right place there. Okay, so that works fine. Yeah. I was pushing on the edge here. Okay, so that's fine. And center core, nice holes. They're smooth. A lot of them. And the can's really thick. It's a thick can. Clean. Yeah, it's a nice thick can. I don't know what the micron rating on this filter is, but I don't think it's that good with all those light spots in it. So what do you guys think about this filter? And again, I want to thank Gary for sending me this used Mahle oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. Alright, is this magnetic? Check. Nope.